For municipalities, as far as the most popular equipment that we have that is being utilized in municipalities, one of them is right here, the Toolcat utility work machine, which handles a majority of our attachments. You've got a comfortable cab, 2 people can be in it. You also have a box that will hold salt material if they're running a spreader, but they can run the snow blower, they can run the angle broom, they can run the blade. It turns in tight areas. So it's a multiple use machine that not only helps them strongly in the snow in the winter, but also in the summer it can be utilized for the summer jobs, taking care of the same sidewalks and so forth in a municipality. The other pieces of equipment is what we're known for is our skid loaders and our track loaders are highly used in a municipal environment with the bigger pushers, bigger buckets, and capabilities of getting around in tight areas and managing to even load into the trucks and trailers that are being utilized to move the snow and debris out. Utilization of the equipment is what is beneficial to a municipality. So if they're making a purchase, they don't want to use it just for a few months of the year. You want something that is helpful throughout the whole year so that they're getting their full investment out of it. And that's where it helps greatly in the snow and the winter and debris, but during the summertime, they have all the attachments and they can utilize that piece of equipment for what they're maintaining still in the winter. So moving people around, planting trees, mowing, those type of attachments and ease of use are there.